This is الدرس السادس, and we are looking at drill 3. And in this drill, we're going to change the masdar into an an plus the mudari' or madi, i.e. the present tense or past tense verb. And so you're going to have a masdar phrase that then you're going to change into a verbal phrase. Here in the example, we have بعد سفره حاول الاتصال بي. After his traveling, he tried contacting me. And here, سفره, سفر is the masdar. So we can change that to بعد أن سافر. That's the past tense. حاول بعد أن سافر حاول أن يتصل بي. In the second example, we put a present tense verb for سفر. بعد سفره سيحاول الاتصال بي. After his traveling, he will try contacting me. بعد أن يسافر سيحاول أن يتصل بي. So the question is, which one do we use? Do we use the past tense or the present tense after an? And so that's going to depend on the verb in the sentence. So the main verb. So here in number 1, we have بعد إلقاء خطابه قرر عقد مؤتمر صحفي. After giving the speech, he decided to hold a press conference. Again, you're going to look at قرر. قرر is going to indicate what the tense of the verb is when we change إلقاء into a verb, into an an plus verb phrase. So remember, إلقاء is the fourth form. ألقى يلقي. In number 2, قبل مغادرة المطار حاولت الاتصال به. Before leaving the airport, I tried contacting him. Here, حاولت is past tense. So that's going to indicate what tense of verb we use for مغادرة. In 3, بعد حصولي على جواز سفر سأحاول السفر للخارج. After obtaining a passport, I will try traveling to the outside, i.e. to the outside of the country. Here, again, we have سأحاول. That's going to indicate what type of a tense verb we're going to change حصول to. In 4, we have بعد عودتهم من لبنان رأوا تأجيل الاجتماع. Okay, after they're returning from Lebanon, they saw, or they intended delaying the meeting. In number 5, رأوا is in the past tense. In 5, قبل تأميمه قناة السويس حاول مناقشة الموضوع مع مستشاريه. Before nationalizing the Suez Canal, he tried discussing the matter with his advisors. Number 6, بعد تناول طعام العشاء أراد مشاهدة التلفزيون. After eating dinner, he wanted to watch television. So أراد is in the past tense. In 7, we have بعد قراءته الرسالة أراد نشرها على نفقته. So after reading the letter, he wanted to publish it at his expense. So here at his expense is a little bit challenging. Most likely you're going to use the fourth form, أنفق ينفق, and then you need على again. So that's something that you might think about. But again, أراد is in the past tense, so that's going to indicate what tense verb we use for قراءة. 8, قبل هجومهم على العدو حاولوا معرفة نوع سلاحه. Before attacking the enemy, they tried knowing the kind, his kind of weapon. 9, بعد ولادتها بالمستشفى حاولوا الاتصال بزوجها. After her giving birth in the after her having been given, after her birth in the hospital, they tried contacting her husband after her giving birth in the hospital. They tried contacting her husband. Number 10, قبل هروبه من السجن, before escaping from prison, حاول تدبير خطة مع الحارس. So before escaping from prison, he tried planning or he tried exploring a plan with the guard. 11, بعد تخرجه من الجامعة, after graduating from the university, قرر الاشتغال بالزراعة. He decided to work in agriculture. قبل قيادتها السيارة حاولت التأكد من سلامتها. Before driving the car, she tried making sure that it was safe. So I hope that helps. مع السلامة.